Okay, loading the Lars washing machine. Empty the washing out of the red or blue sacks. They go in the machine. Any personal items, so this is somebody's jumper, won't go on a 90. Also somebody's personal clothing. So Kylie's can go in this machine. Towels and bedding can go in this machine. If you've got a red bag, like so, with your bedding in, your soiled bedding, your wet bedding, that goes straight in the machine as it is. Don't remove it from the red bag. The only time you remove clothing from a red bag is if it's personal items or a cardigan. So you have to visually check the red bags before you put them in. So in there we can see that's a 90, so that can go in. What else have we got? Some towels. So in this bag, very good example. So this red bag you wouldn't put straight in, because in here you have to remove the jumper. It's really important that you're checking these red bags for jumpers and cardigans. This is a 90-degree wash and they will not cope on this wash. And pop some more towels in. So when you've loaded the machine, what I like to do to make sure it's not overloaded is you can still fit your hand, your arm, in the top of the drum so you know it's not overloaded. So close the door. When you hear that click, you know the door's locked. So open the lid at the top and we'll get our powder. So we have 3/4 of a scoop of washing powder, 1 level scoop of the Oxystain stain remover, and the softener is 1 full small little container. So on the top of the machine you'll notice there's 4 columns. Our softener is going to go into the far right, like that. And then our powder and our OxiClean will go into the second column from the left. Close the lid. So now you want to pick what cycle you want. So we want to use the down arrow and we want to go to option 6, which is the hot 90 wash. Press the tick because we're just confirming that that's the wash we want. Ignore this screen because we've already put our powder in. And then we press the line, which you'll hear the machine click, which means the door's locked and it's a secure load.